Hey folks, it's Simon here. Welcome to your Tao Daily video for Monday the 20th of May 2024. Happy Monday to you. As I explained in Friday's video, equities here are not of a huge amount of interest to me. All right, we are looking extended on the S&P. We're up near this red line, which equities are kind of redlining it here, which generally means they're due to slow down. So a pullback to 515-ish is where I'd get a little more interested in stocks, but right here on the S&P, not a high priority for me adding new equity positions. What is of interest, though, is the metals. If we have a look at gold, all right, gold futures here looking very, very strong. If we look at silver, breakouts don't get much more explosive than this. And of course, copper has been on fuego as well. And these sectors are all of a lot more interest. Now, how do you play them? Well, FCX was my favorite way of playing copper. I came out of my FCX position a couple of days ago. I locked in a nice 52% gain on that one. I'd reload if we got a pullback to the mean, but just at the moment, it's looking a little extended for me. In terms of gold, there are various ways you can play it in the equity market. You can buy GLD. You can buy GDX. I'm currently long at GDX, and this position is actually working out very, very nicely. You could look at GDXJ, which is like a high-octane version of GDX. This is the junior miners. Or you could look at individual stocks like Newmont or Barrick Gold. But GDX kind of does all of that for you. In terms of silver, I mean, you could look at something like SLV, which is the ETF that tracks the silver price. Obviously, that's blasted to new highs as well. You could look at something like SIL, which is kind of like the silver equivalent to GDX. This is an ETF that tracks silver miners. Or you could look at individual stocks. I've currently got a long position in Mag Silver. Obviously not investment advice, just sharing with you how I'm playing the metals. Crude hasn't done much yet, but it looks to me like it is showing signs of forming a bottom here. I do have a long position in USO, which is the ETF that kind of tracks oil futures, with a pretty tight stop. This is obviously a counter trend position rather than an outright kind of following a bullish trend. And counter trend trades always have kind of multiple potential failure points on them. But I can, for various reasons, get behind the idea that crude has put in a base here and is likely to head higher. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's Tao Daily. Thank you.